Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scene Tech. I'll guide you through enabling the fingerprint lock feature on WhatsApp for Android. This adds an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp chats. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp setting. Open your WhatsApp application on your Android device. Tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Setting. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then, tap on Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access Privacy Settings. Next, tap on Privacy from the Account Settings menu. This is where you can manage privacy-related features in WhatsApp. Step 4. Enable Fingerprint Lock. Scroll down to find the Fingerprint Locks option. Tap on it to open the settings. Step 5. Activate Fingerprint Lock. Toggle the switch to enable the fingerprint lock feature. You might be prompted to verify your fingerprint using your device's fingerprint sensor. Step 6. Set lock duration. After enabling the feature, you can choose the duration for the automatic lock. You can select immediately after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. Step 7. Confirm fingerprint lock activation. Once set, confirm the activation of the fingerprint lock by verifying your fingerprint again. Conclusion. And that's how you set up the fingerprint lock feature on WhatsApp for Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Feel free to drop any questions or other app-related topics you'd like me to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.